Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be me finding and fixing furniture. Now you're looking right now at a beautiful piece of furniture that I saw driving by, and the thing is, when you live in this area, you can find the most beautiful things. You're just shocked. I've seen so many. I've seen brand new couches, brand new futons, brand new, what is it called? Those big gigantic shelves, like brand spanking new. I've seen so many things. So anyways, so I was driving by and I saw this and I just thought, it's so gorgeous. But as you see, it's cracked. That's cracked, and the top's in great condition, the sides, everything, and then you see the back is cracked. So I thought, well, that's no problem. I could fix it's just glass mirror. And the back's not even going to show, so that's the last thing I'm going to worry about. But to me, I'm looking at the wood. I actually like the wood. That's in style right now. So what I want to do is clean it up. And then from there, you're going to watch me. I don't have a solid piece like this. So what I'm going to do is just finagle it with a couple of these and some of these. And I think it'll work just fine. So let me put this on a stand and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to get started. Now, I just want to say, I've noticed a lot of you have made comments that I should sell furniture. And the funny thing is, I've been wanting to do that forever. I see furniture all the time, and I'm thinking, God, I could fix that up and sell it. The problem is, I don't have a garage, I don't have a truck, and where are you going to put all these things? You're going to be like one gigantic hoarder. But sometimes I just can't help myself. I also got a huge glass, like, what is it, a console table. And I just couldn't resist. It was a whole pack of cool stuff. Huge mirrors that, dang, I wish I would have grabbed. And they had like what I think is a carry-out. Could have been fixed up, but I was like, okay, you're going overboard. Just one thing at a time. And sometimes you might like it and you might want to just keep it for yourself. Now, normally you guys probably would want me to spray paint this, probably silver, but I actually like this wood. It's in style. So maybe if I end up not liking it, maybe at a later time. But I think right now I'm just going to clean it up and mirror it up and see how we go from there. It seems like this is very sturdy. Like when I pulled the furniture out, I was like, this is good, well-made furniture. That's what I like about it. It looks like it's fairly new to me. I think that maybe somebody got an argument and threw something. I don't know, or they just ran into it. I don't know. Maybe they were drunk. Who knows? Just, it's a really nice piece. So, I'm going to pass it up. So we're going to go ahead and start getting this glued. Now I do have E6000, but I'm going to also use... The only thing I'm worried about is that, I don't place it right, which would be a problem. So I'm going to figure out where I'm going to place it. I think right underneath this top. See how it fits? I don't know if you can tell, but it fits right under there, I'm thinking. But I see a little boo-boo in this glass, so I'm thinking maybe I should do more in the middle like that now that I'm thinking about it, because I don't like this little, it has a little bit of scratches, and this would cover it if I did it. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do it like that. So I'm going to do it right now. Let's do it. I'm going to put some E6000 on, and then I'm going to put some hot glue. So here's the finished product. It's all done. Here's a close-up. Show you around the sides. I didn't, like I said, I didn't fix the mirror in the back. However, I'm gonna get to that later. I'll do the same exact thing. See how pretty the sides are? I like the fact that it already had all the mirrors intact, aside from the back. And this is how the front came out. It's still drying, so I don't want to open it, but it does open. I decided to put it there. It's bigger than the other one, but I really like it. I like the style. And there it is. All done. Thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.